Michelle asked me to replace this outlet in the bathroom with one that has USB charging built in. So since it's a bathroom, it has the GFCI breaker in it. So I'm going to see how easy this is. The outlet doesn't have a ground in it, so I'm going to install a ground wire before putting in the new receptacle. It's also going to be a tight fit, so I'm going to knock a little bit more of this plaster off to open up the opening to the gang box. The outlet's wired up, the little green light is good, and here's the charging happening. You can see on this little battery pack being charged by it. So now the tough part will be putting it back in and getting all these wire nuts to fit inside the gang box. There it is installed. It was a tight fit because of the size of the gang box and size of this outlet, but it fit. Just gonna put the cover on and then we'll be done. And there it is installed, and I can plug whatever she's charging in right there, and away we go. And that's putting in the USB powering outlet in a bathroom.